Hey everybody, this is Mr. Wong. If you don't remember me by now, I'm your general art or photo teacher. Um, Purpose of this recording today is just to say, these are the next steps we're doing. This is what's going to be happening um, for, I guess, your fourth quarter until they decide to change everything back to going back in the room. So this is my expectations slide. Um, Here's some couple things. A lot of this I am doing as videos, recording them and then posting it online. I'm hoping to be posting for my odd classes, so Photo 1, Photo 2, on Mondays at 9 a.m. Okay, so you'll get new videos from me for assignments every week at 9 a.m. Then General Art on Tuesdays at 9 a.m. So that would be my even days. As you guys notice, I do have a headset on and I do have a mic. If we ever do discussions, or if you want to meet me for like office hours to ask me questions about the assignments that I'll be posting or work we'll be doing, um, you can sign up for office hours. I will be going over it through the slide I have also here. Um, but yeah, this is new for everyone. I don't expect everything to go perfectly, so work with me, guys. Remember, uh, you know, we, your teachers, are working really hard to put out good stuff. It's up to you guys to help us help you by doing the work. All right, so let's see. This should be like this. You should still be seeing me, and now you should be seeing a slide. Okay, I would be posting this slide also while this is recording. There should be a slideshow with it. And here we go. Remote learning expectations for success, Mr. Wong. Uh, and if some of your teachers have a similar thing, it's probably because we are sharing what we know with each other. All right, here we go. Play. All right, so first of all, as I said earlier in the beginning, office hours is for Photo 1 and Photo 2 is 10 a.m. To 12 p.m. on Wednesdays. And then General Art is 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Thursdays. Any class on Friday from 10 to 12 also. So as things have changed, office hours are basically things for you guys to, message, video chat. The thing about office hours is I've scheduled appointments for everyone to sign up for. I do understand sometimes you might not be able to make office hours. Do email me. I'll try and message you back as much as I can. Um, but yeah, new things, right? The other things, Jupyter grades. For something even more, right? Message me on Jupyter grades. If it's about grades itself, use Jupyter. Okay. If you have questions about assignments that pop up, you can private message me actually on the assignment. A lot of times it'll show up on my phone and email as soon as you post it practically. Um, but yeah, but please understand, if you contact me at 10 o'clock at night, I might not answer you. If you contact me anything past 5, 6, I might not answer you. Okay. Um, I still have things I need to do, right? And then if you want to use office hours, as I said again, start looking into your Google Calendar. Okay. Google Calendar would be the place where you can set up appointments. Yep. They just set up appointments with me. And each appointment's about 15 minutes long only. Besides that, what other things? Right. Classes. Here we go. In the class, okay, so expectation number 1, check Google Classroom, Jupyter grades, and your email. I do understand some of you have told me, Wong, I don't check email, but you gotta have to start checking your emails and Jupyter grades, right? And Google Classroom. as I said already, expected for you guys to check every day. It's important for you to know what's posted. Don't hesitate to ask questions, but most of all, everything will be posted for you. Okay? So, photo 1, photo 2, your assignments will be posted on Mondays, 9 a.m. And then general art, your assignment will be posted on Tuesdays, 9 a.m. Another thing, I'm pretty sure you got a message by now, I hope, is that all students, you guys are responsible for your own attendance to our online courses. I'll be checking your attendance for my classes. For odd days, I'll be checking on Monday from 9 when I post the assignment to 12. And then for even classes, 9 to 12 on Tuesdays. What do I mean by checking for attendance? It means you need to log into Jupiter Grades and log in that you're in my class, okay? That you saw my video or got the assignment. Here's the thing. I do understand not all of you can wake up early and do this, okay? So, here we go. Be on time. But if you cannot join or cannot watch it exactly at 9, I totally get it. But I will be checking for your attendance from 9 a.m. to 12 in the afternoon. So, per se, if I launch my assignment at 9 a.m. on Monday for Photo Kids, I'll be expecting you from 9 to 12, sometime between then, to hopefully log into Jupiter and hit that you attended. Not only that, actually I hope you would have watched my video from 9 to 12, any of that time. All my videos will only be about 10 maximum minutes, honestly 5 maybe, depending on what the assignment looks like, and that's it. But I will be, as it says here, recording will be posted on Classroom. So if it's a discussion, it'll be posted in the Classroom, okay? If we do discussions or demos, live demos, I need you guys to cooperate and not have your microphone on, okay? I might have Q&A for that stuff, but we're working on it, all right? And participate. Honestly, stay focused. Be active, okay? What I mean is, I hope when I'm doing the video stuff and you're listening, you're not on these things. Or, playing games or something, okay? Seriously, you guys gotta focus. And, as you can see, I'm dressed in my collar shirt, no bow tie today, but wear appropriate clothing, okay? This obviously is for when we are doing any conferencing, any discussions, okay? Keep that in mind. It's technically still school. Fun thing, as you can see, I have headphones on and a mic, and yes, they're gamer headphones, so yes, okay? But it's easier for me to hear you, and it's easier, hopefully, for you to hear me. Okay? So use headphones. And if there's chat, even on Classroom, post appropriate things, okay? Only post things that are relevant to questions and comments. Don't be silly, because understand that if you post something not class related, inappropriate onto the chat or anything we're doing, I am a photo teacher. I can easily screen capture whatever you post. So please don't do that, okay? This is key. Be responsible for your learning, all right? all your teachers are meeting you halfway, and we're hoping you're going to meet us halfway by at least logging in every day, every week, right? Twice a week, Monday and Tuesdays, to see what your assignments are. And if you have questions, office hours, 10 to 12 for the rest of the week, right? I will try and answer any questions during that time. But again, this is new for everyone. If I don't get to you ASAP, please understand, still learning it. If you have questions after this, message me on Google Classroom or Jupyter Grades, but that's it. The other thing is, honestly guys, make sure your notifications are on for Google Classroom or Jupyter Grades, because if I'm messaging you and you're not responding, I don't know if you're getting the message, and truthfully, it doesn't help you if you get a message and you ignore it. Yeah. Just trying to address that now. It's not the, oh, I didn't get your message, oh, I just got your message. You best make sure your notifications are telling you, hey, you have an assignment. I know it's annoying because there's, 8 classes, 7 classes you have, and every teacher might be doing the same thing to you. But work with us, okay? We're all in it together. I'm stuck at home, you're stuck at home, all right? And last but not least, all my recordings, 5, 10, 15 minutes at maximum. And that's it, I think. Yeah. So, again, questions, concerns, I don't know. Let me know. Hopefully after you watch this video, go into the assignments and just hit turn in for I've seen this video. Yeah. Tricky, right? Alright. I'll see you guys in the next video. That's it. Laters.